Hello, day 3, your high energy tip. I have my little partner in crime, this is Amelia, to talk about day 3, high energy. Let's keep high energy, it's so important. Day 3, Alexis has given us gold for the last 2 days. It is not going to change today. She is a lover and I love her so much because she really gives you the gold. But in order to hear everything, today you are doing a high protein breakfast, right? You're moving your body on breaks. Yes, and water. I know I talked about it if you heard me on the panel, but water is key. You need to drink enough water. How much water that is. Take your body weight in pounds, for all you across the pond, body weight in pounds, and divide that in half. And that is how many ounces of water you should ideally get in a day. So if you're a 150-pound person, that looks like 75 ounces of water a day. Yep, 75 ounces. So pick up that water bottle. Find something pretty. I love this. Teal is definitely my favorite color. Pick something pretty or just go get a glass or put a couple glasses in front of you while we're on day 3. So drink water throughout the day. Also, that's going to get you peeing. And when you have to get up to go to the bathroom, then you're moving your body. Check, check, part of day 2. So keep up drinking the water. It makes a huge difference. Believe it. I've had clients that have dropped 6 pounds in a week just focusing on drinking more water. It's amazing, and it definitely happens. I've had it over and over and over again. So drink your water, and I'll see you at Alexis's event. And today, if you're not on my calendar yet, for your energy and income accelerator call, hop on there. I really want to talk to you. Let's find your #1 energy leak. Take all of these tips, use them in your daily life. They make a huge difference. If you haven't watched the other 2 videos, go back and check. But if you're not on my calendar yet, what you waiting for?